Hi, welcome to Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to flush your water heater out. This is something that should be done at least every 6 months to preserve the life of your tank. First, go to your water heater tank and locate the control knob or dial. Turn the dial to pilot. Now grab your garden hose, the longer the better, and attach the hose to the water release hose bib, usually at the bottom of your tank. Then take the end of the hose all the way down to your street. Don't leave it on your driveway or grass. It will stain your driveway and it will kill your grass. Go back to your water heater tank and turn the valve at the hose bib to the on position and let the water flow. Don't turn off the water at the top of the water heater. Just go to your hose and watch the water come out. The sediment will start to flush out, and it may take up to 30 minutes to get everything out. Just watch it, and once the sediment is done and the water is running clear, go back and turn off the water at the hose bib valve and turn the control valve back to the on position. Take the hose off and you're done. Do this twice a year to avoid problems with your pipes or tank. Thanks for watching.